Today, I'm going to show you how to use the video chat feature to provide a basic form of tech support for your users. If your trainees are having an issue signing into the system, or are having an issue accessing content in any way, what I am about to show you will let you take a look at what they're experiencing and try to figure out what's going on. So the first step, click the icon along the bottom right. It looks like two people with an arrow between them. And that will open up a list of all the people that you can connect with that are currently online. So presumably, you've coordinated this with them to be online, so you can help them out. In this case, I've staged one person to be online, so I can demonstrate this. I'm just going to click on that person, and then you're going to click the invite to video chat, and that will send them a notification on their end. Once they click on it, they'll see the notification on the left, letting them select whether or not they want to accept or decline the invite. They're going to want to click accept. And if this is their first time using this functionality, their browser will verify that they want to allow the browser to use the camera and microphone. So they're going to want to go ahead and click the allow option. And then, once they're in this interface, they're going to want to click on this icon here, that looks like a monitor, to share their screen. There are a few options here as well. They can share the entire screen, or just a specific window. I think the best case for doing this troubleshooting with them would be to choose the entire screen. So, they are going to want to click on the entire screen, and then click the share button. Now, back to the admin side. Click on this icon or button right here to view full screen, so you can actually get a full screen view of what they're looking at, to better enable you to help them out. From here, you can have them walk through what they are doing. And that's it. A fairly easy way to help out your users using the built-in screen sharing abilities.